up and down, burning up like fever. Better days, and not so far away.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my recipe for sour cream and onion potato rings. For this recipe, you will need 2 egg whites, 1 package of ideal protein potato puree, and a 1/4 cup of sliced green onion. Start off by beating the egg whites to a froth. Firm enough so they stick to the bowl, but loose enough that they don't form peaks. Combine the ideal protein potato puree mix and the green onions and mix. Then you're going to want to pour the mix into a piping bag or Ziploc bag and pipe small circle rings. When you've used up all the mix, put them in the oven on 400 degrees heat for 10 minutes. Halfway through, drizzle with extra virgin olive oil. And when you're done, they should look like golden brown potato crisps. Trust me, they taste just like those sour cream and onion rings. If you liked this recipe and want to see more, click that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications every time I post. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!